Quantified product stock is very similar to product stock, with only minor differences. In this tutorial, we'll cover this type and explore the key distinctions between them. Quantified product stock refers to unpackaged or loose products, such as fruits, rice, or grains. Unlike regular product stock, which is managed by box count, quantity per box, and box size, quantified products are tracked based on weight and unit of measurement, for example, kilograms, grams, and pounds. This system is ideal for items sold in bulk or measured quantities rather than fixed packaging. Just a quick note, the stock is calculated based on the unit you select. If you set it to kilograms, it's tracked in kilograms. If you choose grams, it's tracked in grams. All other options, like assigning or unassigning bulky items and transferring stock, work the same way as they do with regular product stock.